Hello, you already saw the title of the video, so you know what's going on. I'm gonna go ahead and start this clown costume by making a collar. So I got this tulle from Walmart. I already have this black ribbon. I figured this would probably be like an easy way to make a collar that'll be easy to take on and off. So we'll get into that. The ruffles, the tulle. And I got some pins here to go ahead and pin those in place. Like that. Right here, right here. I'm gonna go ahead and fold it into quarters. You'll kind of see what I'm doing better once I actually start sewing. But I think I'm just gonna do pleats, and I think I'm really just gonna like kind of eyeball it because it doesn't have to be that exact. Like I'm not even going anywhere for this. Kind of just for fun. So that is the plan. I'm going to kind of pin it, I don't know. So one side's like a little bit longer than the other. And the plates are nice, so we'll do plates. Let's see how it turned out. A little nervy. Why am I confused? What is going on here? The top part, this little part is the top. The bigger part is the bottom. Why does it look like a cape? Turned out a little bit more like, I don't know, jestery rather than clown. I'm not gonna make it again. I'm just gonna make this work. Like, I think it'll be fine, you know? I kind of wish I only did the smaller part. Maybe I'll just like tuck the longer bit up so it's like, looks like how this top one does. Like the pleats look fine. I probably should have just ruffled it. You know, it's fine. I could even like do something like this. That would look like one of the, like, I don't know, this looks pretty clowny to me. Like a porcelain doll clown. I think I dig it, you know? I think this will work. This also looks a little Shakespearean. And I could probably even like tuck that under too to like really give it a little bit more volume. Okay, so I'm back home now after going to Walmart again. Decided I want to make a hat to really complete the look. I'm gonna use this white fabric I have and then make some pom-poms and yeah. So let me figure out how to make a hat. I kind of looked up some tutorials, so yeah, but I'm kind of gonna wing it. Marked it right here, halfway, 10 inches, total length 20 inches. gonna be way too big. Oh no. I look like a pilgrim or something. I think we can make it work though, honestly. I kind of like the height of this. Yeah, if I just like make it more narrow, I think that'll work just fine. Pom-poms. My yarn here. Just doing the whole roll around your hand method. I've seen tutorials say 50 to 60 times, but I didn't count, so I'm just gonna wing it, I guess. It's starting to feel a little tight on my hand. Go ahead and slide that off. Oh god. The little piece that I got from earlier. And I was making my little half circle for the hat. So it's tied very tightly around the thing. Double, triple knotted or something to make sure this shit doesn't unravel and leave a bunch of yarn everywhere. Okay, that should be good. And then the part to make it into the, cut the little loops. I needed to clean this up a little bit to make it a little bit cleaner, but alright, we got a pom-pom. Very cute. Okay, so it is the next day now, and I made 3 of these little pom-poms here. Go ahead and finish the hat, which is where we're at with that. I need to like seal it, and I'm gonna add the pom-poms, so let's do that. So far with the hat. I need to do something to finish this off, so and I also need to charge my battery, so give me a sec. Here's all of the elements. Can you see the vision? Can you see the vision? Alright. And 3, 2, 1. I'm in my costume, but you can't see the rest of me. I went ahead and curled my hair already off camera. Go ahead and start doing my face. I got this white face paint from the costume area at Walmart, $1.24. Yeah, so I'm just going to first prep my face with this primer sample I have. And I have a mirror just like right here, so if I keep looking that way, that's, you know, what's going on. If I remember anything about shitty white face paint is that it's shitty, and I'm going to mix it with my regular foundation just like the Fenty foundation. So I'll do like 1 pump of that. Kind of about that much. I'm gonna use a handle of this, so let's see how this goes. It won't be like white, but lighter than my regular skin tone, I guess. Probably good enough. Went ahead and did my best to push my hair out of my face. Go ahead and apply this monstrosity mix with this MAC brush I bought and I never use. Okay, you can't see it better, but I'm losing faith by the second. Oh no. Yeah, it's just like peeling off. It's gonna take a while. We're getting better, I think. I don't know. Still not great. Alright, so I rinsed everything off and it's like all in my eyes. It actually kind of burns, but I'm not gonna use that face paint. It's horrible. It just was peeling. There's nothing I could do to make it work. I'm gonna use this old stuff that I have. I don't even remember where I got it from, but it's just the cream makeup. It worked better for me the other times that I've used it, so that's what we're doing. You know what? I'm just gonna rub this in. I feel like this kind of makeup just, I don't know. Might be better off just rubbing it, I guess. Getting there. It's definitely not as bad as the other stuff, but it's still not great, you know. It's definitely leaning yellowish, but I think it'll be okay because it's supposed to be lighter than my skin tone, and once I put on all the other makeup, I think it'll work. I think that's good for a base. I'm gonna set it with this, what is this, Laura Mercier translucent powder. Hopefully this will, oh, I can't. I'm just gonna have to tap. Hopefully this will make it look a little bit more, less shitty, I guess. I think it's kind of working. Makeup Forever red blush. I'm gonna do like the off to the side kind of look. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Anastasia Beverly Hill liquid lipstick, which is not working because it's dry as hell. I need to see this out. Jesus Christ. Alright, going in with this really old Urban Decay F-Bomb, which I know will work good. I'm going to use the Urban Decay Potion Primer. Man, I really did not fill that in very good. Use the old trusty electric palette, and is this, I don't know, Chaos right here. So we'll go ahead and do that one. Do the other one off camera. I'll just do like some regular connecting these two. Maybe the details and I'll show you the finished look.